Hi, Chris here with Simply NUC, and today I'm going to show you how to use a VESA mount extension plate when attaching a monitor to a monitor arm. Let's get this out of the way and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mount the plate to the back of the monitor. First thing you need to do is your monitor plate should come with these little screw extenders that are going to help separate the plate from the back of the monitor. Once those are screwed in, we're going to take our extension plate, we're going to line it up, line up the 4 holes, and then we're also going to take our monitor arm bracket here, and we're going to line that up as well. And now we're going to attach both the plate and the bracket to the back of the monitor. All right, now that we have the extension bracket and the monitor arm bracket attached to the back of the monitor, we're going to attach the VESA plate to the extension bracket. All right, so we're just going to take this like this. You want to take the bracket, the VESA plate, and you want to line it up with the holes on the extension plate. And then take your screws that should come with your VESA mount plate and just screw them in. All right, now that we have our VESA mount plate attached to the extension plate, we can put the NUC onto the VESA mount. First thing you're going to need to do though is you're going to need to attach the screws that allow you to mount the NUC to the VESA plate. See, once those are in, you can mount it however you want. This is a Simply NUC universal mount. Has multiple options for how you can mount it. Now that we have our NUC attached to the VESA mount, which is attached to the extension plate, and everything's attached here on the monitor, we can put the monitor on the monitor arm. So what you want to do, just slide it right in. As you can see, the NUC sits out of the way. You have a nice, clean workstation. Thank you again for choosing Simply NUC.